Welcome to ArtMagic.
Humpty Dumpty is a beloved nursery rhyme character loved by children worldwide. Drawing him sitting on a wall is a fun and engaging activity that can enhance kids' drawing skills. Start by drawing a large oval shape for Humpty Dumpty's body. This will form the main part of his figure. Then, add a smaller oval shape on top for his head. Make sure to leave some space between the head and body for Humpty Dumpty's neck. Draw 2 short lines on either side of his head for his arms. Add a small curved line beneath each eye to create his smiling mouth. Next, draw 2 small circles for Humpty Dumpty's eyes near the top of his head. And then draw his legs extending down from his body. Draw a straight line horizontally across your paper to represent the top of the wall. Then, add 2 vertical lines extending downwards from each end of the horizontal line to create the sides of the wall. Now it's time to add color. Humpty Dumpty is traditionally depicted wearing a bright red outfit. Color his body and legs red, leaving his face white. Use black to color his eyes and mouth. You can also add some shading to create depth and dimension to his figure. For the wall, you can choose any color you like. A classic choice would be a light shade of brown or gray to represent brick or stone. Once your drawing and coloring are complete, take a step back and admire your masterpiece. Don't forget to sign your artwork to show it's your creation. Drawing Humpty Dumpty sitting on a wall is a fantastic way for kids to hone their drawing skills while having fun. By following this easy step-by-step guide, children can learn the basics of drawing shapes, adding details, and using color to bring their artwork to life. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.